Hi, I'm Belinda Carli, the Director of the Institute of Personal Care Science, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really intensive herbal hair mask using some innovative natural alternatives to the more synthetic chemicals usually used in conditioning products. This is the product we're going to be making today, and as you can see, it's a really nice, viscous, creamy looking product, and it's got some fantastic innovative materials in here to really condition the hair and repair damage. Now, to make this product, first of all, I'm just going to add the Inutech HP25 to my water phase. Now, this is a chicory extract that is an alternative to your guar hydroxypropyl triammonium chlorides. So it's got some fantastic data about the conditioning benefits and how it smooths the cuticle of the hair. So that's one of my hero ingredients in this formula. If you can't get the Inutech material, you can use guar hydroxypropyl triammonium chloride. It's just not as natural. Now here I am going to add some straight guar gum to glycerin. Another unsung hero in this formula is the glycerin. Because this is a herbal hair mask, it will be applied to the hair, left on for 10 to 15 minutes and then washed off. But in the meantime, that glycerin, it's a fantastic humectant. It will help deliver moisture to the hair to help it become more hydrated, which stops having all that flyaway and frizz even after it's washed out of the hair. Now, I'm using straight guar gum. This is not really providing the true benefits to the formula. The Inutech and my emulsifying material are the main heroes. But the guar gum is going to give us a nice viscosity build and also help boost stability of this formula. Now that will build its viscosity over a short period of time. What I'm going to do now is heat this water phase, and I'm going to start heating my oil phase. Now here I have some emollients, light feel emollients. I have some coconut oil. You could use different types of butters or plant oils. To this I'm adding another hero ingredient. This is the Amino Sensul HC. Now what's special about this particular material is it uses a valine, a cationically charged amino acid that's already found on the cuticle of the hair, and then it's got some plant fatty alcohols to further boost the moisturising and conditioning benefits of this material. The other great thing about this material is it's cationically charged, but it's not irritating, it's not corrosive, and it's readily biodegradable, unlike your other alkonium chlorides that get used in the hair conditioning products. So now I'm just going to heat this phase slightly. When the water phase is quite hot, I'm then going to add the oil phase to the water phase. I don't want to overheat my oil phase because otherwise I could burn my waxy material. You'll see the viscosity with the guar has already increased considerably, and this helps build stability and that final viscosity to the finished product. Because of the high waxy to liquid oil component, just remember, don't overheat or risk burning your waxes. If your oily phase starts to get too hot before your water phase catches up, simply remove that from the heat and wait for the water phase to catch up. Now your Amino Sensul HC works best in an acidic environment, so I'm going to use my preservative now that I've removed it from the heat, and this will bring the pH down. When your emulsion is cooled below 40 degrees, we can add our herbal complex. Now in this formula, I'm using a botanical complex, which is a combination of herbs that are extra nourishing for the hair. I'm also adding some hydrolyzed rice protein, and this will help seal the cuticle, repair hair damage. I'm also adding some essential oils to go with the herbal hair mask theme, and some tocopherol for antioxidant protection. Now I just need to check and adjust pH. Now the amino sensul HC will build quite a bit of viscosity on the day, but still leave it overnight and by the next day it will form this beautiful viscous cream, perfect for a herbal hair mask. Well, that's how to create the herbal hair mask using some innovative natural alternatives to the more commonly used synthetic conditioning alternatives. Just remember, if you can't get the Inutech HP25 or the amino sensul HC, you can of course use guar hydroxypropyltrimonium chloride or your alkonium chlorides that would normally be used in conditioning products. But one of the great features about this herbal hair mask is the use of those natural and biodegradable materials. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please leave any questions or comments below and make sure you subscribe to receive notifications about all our videos. Happy formulating!